here. Today we're going to talk about compass bearing and true bearing.
Bearing can be divided into two parts. One is compass bearing, the other one is true bearing. So let's start with the compass bearing. Compass bearing is measured from north or south towards west or east. So to find compass bearing, we need three parts. The first one is north or south, and the middle one is the angle from either north or south, and the last one is west or east. So we have one direction right here. First of all, we have to decide if it's towards north or south, and it's definitely towards north, so N. And the angle from north is 37 degrees, so we can write down 37 after N. And we have to decide if it's towards west or east, and it's on the right side, so definitely on the east side. So this one is called N37E. Well, how about this direction? It's definitely towards south, so S, and we have to find the angle from the south. We know that this part is 20 degrees, so the red part will be 90 minus 20, which is 70. So it's S 70 degrees, and it's definitely towards east, so it will be S 70 degrees E. And for our third direction here, it's towards S, so it's S, and it's 80 degrees from the south, so 80 degrees in the middle, and it's on the left side, so it's towards west. So this direction is south 80 degrees west. Our last direction is towards north, and the angle from the north is vertically opposite to 70 degrees, so it will be 70 as well. So 70 degrees in the middle, and it's towards the west, so it will be N 70 degrees west. And this is what compass bearing is. So let's move on to our second type of bearing, which is true bearing. True bearing is measured clockwise from the north. So we just have to calculate what the angle is from the north until you reach that direction. Let's have a go with the examples. Our first direction is right here, and as you can see, it's 45 degrees from the north clockwise. So it's called O45 true bearing. Our second direction is towards the south, and we know that it's 20 degrees from the south, which means from north it is 180 minus 20, which is 160 degrees from the north. So it's called 100 degrees true bearing. Our third example, it's 30 degrees from the west, which means we can find the true bearing by taking 30 degrees away from 270, which is 240. So it'll be 240 true bearing. Our last direction is 25 degrees anti-clockwise from the north. So to find true bearing, we have to measure clockwise from the north. So it'll be 360 minus 25, which is 335 degrees. So this direction is 335 true bearing. Now that we've learned what compass bearing is and true bearing is, let's have a go with our example. We have a point A here and point B here. It's 6 centimeters vertically and 8 centimeters horizontally. And question 1 is, what is true bearing from A to B? Since it's from A, we have to draw the compass north, south, east, west on A. And draw the line connecting A to B. And again, true bearing is the angle measured clockwise from the north. So let's find this angle right here. And since we have right angle triangle, we can use SOHCAHTOA to find this theta first. Let's label our side length. 8 is the opposite, so O. 6 is the adjacent to the angle, so A. So out of SOHCAHTOA, we have to use TOA. So tangent theta, tan theta is opposite over adjacent, 8 over 6. And theta equals inverse tan, 8 over 6. Put in your calculator and it'll give you 53 degrees. So therefore, the true bearing from the north will be 180 minus 53, which is 127 true bearing. Our second question is true bearing from B to A. So since it's from B, we have to draw the compass on B. And we just have to calculate the angle from north clockwise until you reach that blue line connecting B and A. And since that 6 centimeters and our vertical line here are parallel, that little angle will be the same as 53 degrees because they're alternate angles. Therefore, the true bearing will be 360 minus 53, which is 307 true bearing.
Thank you so much for watching our videos today. Make sure you like and subscribe our channel for more math tips and materials. Study smarter, not harder with Zach.